Alex Stockton.
On the other end, that's Stockton to the cup.
Justin Arana.
5 seconds.
Nice spin.
Wow!
Gets the back.
Mike Phillips.
Goes all the way.
Oh!
Woo! What an athletic.
Kevin K.U.
Boom.
That was an athletic Austria. Kontra kang Rakar. Quick spin move to the cup for 2. Has to fire. Knocks it down. Right 2 seconds. Launches. Got it. On the blow by. What a play by Eli.
Kain lang nila.
That's Golyena for 3. Good sign if you're the youngster sa De La Salle.
It's true.
Kita. Flexibility. Brian Santos was fouled on a 3. He's trying to entertain the crowd. Dito po sa Davao City. Bodies on the floor. On the runner.
my
Got it.
gosh.
And 1.
Oh.
On the footway.
Oh my.
And Chadam steps inside. No. And a whistle.
Oh.
Back to Phillips.
Baby.
Wide open. All the way. Blocked by Phillips. Break. Austria against Stockton. Yeah. Foul. Almost slip. Abada. Big shot. Oh! Backbreaker.
Nakakainding balahibong laro ang nangyari sa Lasal kontra Converge. Halos wasakin na ni Michael Phillips ang ring at Lasal Green Archers. Pinaiyak ang PBA team na Converge. Sobrang exciting tong game na to.
Step back and kiss myself. Big time plays, big time plays.
And guard for jersey number 12, Alex Stockton. Middle, Justin Arana. Man into middle, wearing jersey number 25, Mike Phillips. And forward, wearing jersey number 28, Kevin K.U.
Here we go. Ryan Santos and Phillips jumping up. And the first possession. With 28 points and 11 rebounds. Double team. Has to kick it out. Fadeaway shot. Yes! First field.
Sniping last night.
Oh. I think he was perfect on 3-point line. And as that shot goes, first shot for Alex Stock Phillips. Cross-court feed. Brian Santos from the corner. His 3-pointer is good. An empty trip for LaSalle. They're still scoreless in the opening quarter. Another corner.
Yun.
Set.
So one possession at a time, tsagain lang natin yung tsagain lang nila yung deficit na to.
And a hard foul from Justin Arana. Arana. Makalalag. Nice setup. And there's
Yun.
the first field goal for Lian Ral. They're looking for another open shot. Makalalag squeaks in and Cortez gets the cleanup job for 2.
Just be patient. They'll catch up.
That's for sure, especially for Coach Topex Robinson. And Shawnee Winston, the former Lasallian. Austria goes baseline, has to kick it back out. That's Golyena for 3 and a foul. Cortez off the handoff. That's Eli Golyena. Launches for 3. Knocks it down. Second 3 of the ball game for a high-scoring affair na umabot pa ng overtime. CJ Austria hits a 3. Rubico now on the free throw line. Nice setup to Raven Cortez. Goes on the reverse. Nina Coach Cholo, it was a 10-0 start for Converge. Shawnee on the drive. Counted and 1. Now Austria surveys the floor. Now against Pat Madenberg. Quick spin. That basket goes and 1. Spots up, no. Offensive rebound by Fornillos. Converge playing all Filipino tonight. And the shot goes off the wing. That's
Oohs in the ass from the crowd.
Amos down in the paint and his first field goal.
He really fought for that possession.
And that's a good sign if you're the youngsters at La Salle.
That's true.
And we have another foul. Oh.
For his frame.
And we're down to 2 on the shot clock though. Rubico
Good defense.
has to fire and hits. And that's a 3.
Kasama.
That's for sure. Off the inbounds, here comes BJ Andrade. Coming off the timeout. Trainer shine, Coach Cholo, di ba?
Good response.
Nice
from the
pick and
players of
roll.
Lasal. Wow.
And Pat Madenberg is on the other side. Phillips. So we have a little bit of a 2-man game. Phillips down in the paint using a series of picks.
Beautiful.
Great body control for Michael. So yung athleticism na pinakita. Yung flexibility ni Michael Phillips.
That's right.
Able to
And that fueled them to make this huge comeback.
as Amos hits a 3-point shot. Now Stockton. And a strip by Phillips.
Ganda ng strip.
Phillips on the
Here we
foot
go.
race all the way.
Whoa!
Woo! What an athletic play for Michael Phillips.
Check the rim, Ray.
Here it is, hatid sa inyo ng The Royal Mandaya Hotel, and there's that athletic jam for Michael Phillips. And the crowd has fired up dito sa loob ng University of Southeast. JL Del Santos inside to Arana, able to receive the pass, one-hander is good. Here comes Dungo. Amos stops on a dime, hits another one.
I think that's his second three.
9 points.
Sobra lang, sayang.
On the other end, that's Stockton to the cup. Let's protect their title
Correct.
for the upcoming season 87 in UAAP. Golyena hits another. Kevin Kiambao against Mike Nieto. One-hander is good. Crossover. Brian Santos was fouled on a three-point attempt, and Coach Topex Robinson is in disbelief. Shoot though for JL Del Santos. Are they aware of it? Brian Santos at the buzzer, and he goes. For sure. He's trying to entertain the crowd dito po sa Davao City. Bodies on the floor as Brian
KQ.
Santos and KQ, that's right.
De La Salle.
Makalalag. Sets up Kiambao for three.
That time, no?
That was a wide open shot, if I'm not
Guard.
mistaken. Oo. As Stockton
Wow.
draws the foul and one.
Excellent play.
Silly foul if you're the white shirts. Golyena, open three. Got it to go!
Wow.
And Lasal, another fast break opportunity. Kiambao, no look to Phillips!
Grabe.
Nangangapi sa ere pala si Michael Phillips. Kiambao, now taking his time, Marasigan. That's a three!
Hi.
Caralipio has been silent. A hop step and the basket. Gun. Top
Excellent
shot.
defense.
And offensive rebound by Arana. Hindi tinatawag na kili-kili shot. Draws the foul. Alongside that guy right there, Mason Amos. Golyena on the blow by. What a play by Eli Golyena!
Bang klase.
Arana trapped underneath. Santos will try his own three.
Yes.
Knocks it down. That's a 3-on-3 fast break. Magdenburg almost lost control of it. Rakal for three.
Boom.
Knocks it down. Lasal. Austria kontra kang Rakal. Quick spin move to the cup for two. And that will count and foul. Lasal player, and here comes BJ Andrade for three. To make a run in the third. Austria on the drive, kicks it out. Abadam. That's a three coming off the top. Pat Magdenburg against Luis Pablo. Has to kick it out. Andrade, another three. Another one. 6 seconds. Abadam. Nice pass to Pablo. Counted and one.
Beautiful finish.
Balikang Ratal for three. That's way off. But Magdenburg blocked by Pablo. Gets it back with one to shoot. Has to fire.
Boom.
Knocks it down. Right at the buzzer for BJ Andrade. For Makalala. Goes to work. Against Magdenburg, down to 2 seconds. Launches. Got it at the buzzer. JC Makalalag. Tabi against Phoenix, ano?
Correct. Oh.
That was swatted
Tapal.
away by Michael Phillips.
Here we
Kiambao.
go.
Back to Phillips.
Baby.
Woo! What a play between the two front court players. In the Royal Mandaya Hotel. There's that fast break. Kiambao. No look pass to Phillips
Boom.
for that poster jam. Another highlight reel for Michael Phillips.
That was a thunderous jam, no? That's a two. Yeah, that's basically 2 points still. Oh.
Here comes Alex Stockton. Back to Justin Arana. Counted and one.
Basket count for Justin Arana.
Opportunity.
Kailangan bumalik sa depensa.
David
itong
Dungo.
Converge.
On the runner.
my
Got it.
gosh.
And one.
Oh.
And Converge wanted to challenge that. So there's the replay hatid sa inyo ng Genesis 88 Construction. Oh, that was a dangerous, that's great defense from Phillips. Down to 4 seconds. Arana
Ganda.
turns, shoots, and scores. Shawnee Winston.
There you go, sabi ko na eh.
Santos for three. Knocks it down. 4-point game. Arana posting up against Phillips. Turns, shoots, scores.
Wow.
So now against his former team. Santos, extra pass. Stockton from the corner, got it to go! Phillips, posting ngayon. Back out to CJ Austria with 7 to shoot. Goes baseline and the shot! That's good! They were down as much as 19. Amos almost a strip. Makalalag able to recover. and gets the basket to go. Balik ang Arana.
5 seconds.
Nice spin back. Gets the basket to go. Down to a 5-point game. Makalalag in trouble. Arana takes it away. Arana on the foot weight
Oh my.
and jams it home. Stockton surveys the floor. There's a pick by Arana. He stops, slip. Arana gets to the basket. Draws the foul and one. Whistle. Abadam steps inside. No. And a whistle.
Ay ko po.
And bodies on the floor. And looks like Abadam and Stockton. Santos looks for the opening. No look. Magdenberg will try. 3-pointer is good. Or take a lead with a 3-point play.
Johnny wide open.
All the way. Blocked by Phillips. Rejected. And here comes LaSalle on the fast break. Austria against Stockton. Yes! Woo! Clutch basket for CJ Austria from Michael Phillips.
Wow, solid screen.
Blocked by Kiambao. But wait a minute, a foul called.
Access denied from Boom.
And that was an athletic bringing against Shawnee. And the shot is good. Cholo as Winston shot. No! And rebound by Philip. Court Phillips able to break through. Kicks it out. Tungo hesitates. And Kiambao almost slipped. Abadam big shot.
Backbreaker.
Dagger shot. Sa replay atid sa inyo ng The Royal Manea Hotel on the dagger 3 for Abadam. You have to make an opening. Santos with 13 to shoot. Launches. No. And a rebound by LaSalle. And here comes Kiambao for the layup. Yes.
Pumasok.
It's an 8-point lead. Shawnee for 3. No. Sirs, what a performance for the Dallas.
If you don't like that, you don't like NBA basketball.